Hello kids, I hope that you all have seen the previous two lessons videos and I am sure that you have understood the previous two lessons and also you have completed your exercise and question answers. Okay now? Now we are going to start our third lesson first part. What is third lesson part first? So everybody come to page number 209. Everybody come to page number 209. What is our lesson? Our lesson name is food and health. You know why we need food? Because food gave us energy, growth, repair our body, etc. Here we have some stories. Little one. One boy name is Rohit. He was playing, but after some time he was tired. But the another girl name is Soma. He is playing full time. You know what is the difference between Rohit and Soma? Because Soma is always eating diet food or balanced food. Okay, that's why we also eat balanced diet because food gives us energy. Okay, so our first topic is balanced diet. You know, to stay healthy, our body needs some important things. Everybody come to page number 209. To stay healthy, our body needs a balanced diet, regular exercise, enough rest and protection from disease. What is the need? Balanced diet, regular exercise, enough rest and protection from diseases. So now we are going to start our first topic, that is balanced diet. What is our first topic? Balanced diet. The definition of balanced diet is all the nutrients present in right amount is called balanced diet. When in our food all the nutrients are present in equal amount or balanced amount, that is called balanced diet. You know which type of nutrients? Anybody knows? No or yes? Okay, these nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and roughage. What are the main nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and roughage. Again I am repeating this one. Balanced diet means all the nutrients contain right amount is called the balanced diet. Which type of nutrients? Nutrients are carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and roughage. One by one we deal this one. Now everybody come to 209 page number. You know what is carbohydrates? Carbohydrates give us energy to work and to play. Carbohydrate give us energy to work and to play. That's why carbohydrate is very important for us. Which type of carbohydrate? Example, pulses, cereals, wheat, etc. These are carbohydrate. These material contains carbohydrate. Understood? Okay. Now our next nutrient is protein. What is our next nutrients? Protein. Everybody come to page number 210. Everybody come to page number 210. You know protein. Protein help us to grow. Protein help us to grow. What is protein? Protein help us to grow. Example, meat, egg. These materials contain protein and this protein help us to grow. That's why every time your mother told you drink milk, drink milk. Why? Because milk contain protein. Next nutrients, fat. Fat give us more energy more than carbohydrate. Fat give us more energy than carbohydrates. Example, butter and ghee. That's why fat is very important for us. In our chapati, we are using butter or ghee. Okay. Next nutrients is vitamins. What is the next nutrients? Vitamins. Vitamins keep our body fit and increase body's ability to fight against diseases. What is vitamins, beta? Keep our body fit and increase body's ability to fight against disease. That's why vitamin is very important, because vitamins improve our immune system. An example of vitamins is fruits and vegetable. That's why your parents always insist you that eat fruits or green vegetables, because these vegetables contain vitamins. Our next nutrients, minerals. Minerals help in the growth and development. Mineral help us in our growth and development. And these minerals also present in fruits and vegetable, vitamins and minerals. Next is roughage. You know roughage? In Hindi we can use this one, salad. Salad खाते हैं आप? Yes, roughage. This roughage help us to get rid of undigested food. That's why we have to drink plenty of water. So this roughage help us to get rid the undigested food. Clear everybody? Now I am revising this full nutrients or balanced diet. What is balanced diet? All the nutrients contained in right amount, that is called balanced diet. All the nutrients means carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage. Carbohydrates give us energy to work and to play. Example, pulses and cereals. Proteins always help us to grow. Example, meat, egg, milk, etc. Fat give us more energy than carbohydrate. Example, butter and ghee. Vitamins keep our body fit and also increase ability to fight against the diseases. Example, fruits, vegetable. Minerals help in the growth and our body development. Example, fruits and vegetable. Roughage help us to get rid of undigested food. That's why in our dinner, in our lunch, we are taking lots of salad or carrot, etc. And also we have to drink plenty of water. Why? Because water is very essential for our body. For this, I will show you one video.
Classification of nutrients. Nutrients can be divided into 5 classes: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Carbohydrates are classified as energy-giving foods. They give us quick energy. Sugar and starch are examples of carbohydrates. Fats. Excess carbohydrates are stored in the body as fats. They are a storehouse of energy. When our body is short of energy, it uses them. Fats can be obtained from both plants and animals. Proteins are made of amino acids. Proteins ensure proper growth and help the body to replace worn out cells. Vitamins are required by our body in small quantities, but they are extremely essential for proper growth and healing of wounds. Minerals are also required by the body in very small quantities. They ensure proper functioning of the body.
Okay, student, have you seen the video? I hope you liked that video. Now, our next topic, keep fit. For this, everybody come to page number 210. You know, our muscles become weak and flabby if they are not used for a long time. Regular exercise helps to develop and tone up our muscles. During exercise, air is pumped in or out of the lungs at a faster rate. Thus, more oxygen is taken in and more carbon dioxide and water vapor are given out. The heart beats faster during exercise and so blood circulates faster. Exercise helps the nervous system by supplying more oxygen to the brain. We must play outdoor games to keep our body fit. And what is posture? You know what is posture? Posture is the position in which we hold our body when we sit, when we stand, or when we walk. That is called posture. That is called posture. Now, next is enough rest. Everybody come to page number 211. Proper rest and regular hours of sleep relax our muscles and give our body much needed rest. We feel fresh and are ready to work again. That's why we have to take enough rest also. Now, this is the first part of your third lesson completed, and in next video or next part I will give you. Okay, so take care yourself and be safe and healthy. Bye.